a nice free strategy for every member. I'm going to give you a live update on one free strategy that you need to have as a beginner trader. I call this strategy the EMA strategy, the exponential moving average strategy. So before we dive in, for those that want to subscribe to this channel, please kindly check the link in the description below. And also for those that want to join our mentorship, anything you want to do, just try and contact me or contact my support managers. Let's go on this massive trend riding strategy. I call this strategy a strategy that works best with money, a strategy that brings money, a strategy that makes you to print money. If you are bubbling with a strategy that will give you what you want, a strategy that will change your life forever, kindly check the link in the description of this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Also follow us on all our social media handles. We will surely update you on every details that we have. Nice to have you here. Okay, let's move on straight to the point. So let's just dive into the strategy. Before I move on, let me give you the settings for the strategy. Then after the settings, we can move up with some conditions. You can see we have a running trades already, and I think I'll close them now. We have a running trade already, and I'll close them now. So let me show you. Let me quickly give you the settings. So the settings for the strategy are: on main indicator window, we have the moving average, period 20, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, no level, style golden. I think should be yellow or golden. So this is it. That's that about that. So that's all. I'll be back. Then the second moving average is period 10, method shift 0, method exponential, apply. Sorry, this shift should be 4. 10 4. Yeah, this shift should be 4 down. So shift 4, method exponential, apply to close, no levels, style red. That's all. Then the next indicator we are going to use is this commodity channel index, CCI. For those that trade crude oil, they know what it means by this. So we are using it on this. For today, the period is 20. Apply to typical price HLC/3. Levels, we have 4 levels: minus 150, plus 150, minus 180, plus 180, then 0. These are the only levels we have here. You can screenshot them: minus 180, plus 180, minus 150, plus 150. Come back and style, I'll leave it for Fixil, any of your choice. So everything is intact. So you should do shift 4 down. So now just look at it here. You can use this strategy on 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 15, 30, anything. Imagine you caught this spike after this confirmation. So let me give you the rules for the strategy. The rules for the strategy, for those that are asking me the zoom level is always from the highest. This is the lowest level. Then zoom out once. Okay, sorry, 1, twice, and here zoom out twice. That's the level for the strategy. We'll zoom out twice. So this is where we have captured this swing on this. This is our entry, and because we know that we took this trade while the CCI indicator is between this 199 and 150, or this 150 and 180, so we sell again. That's where we sell. And look at it. Let me show you what we have captured here. So you see, this is the cross, this is it, and this is the confirmation we get. We'll just write our trend down. We hold this trend because we are in a very serious downtrend, and that's why we hold the trades. Currently we still have some running trades here. So if you are still using 5 minutes chart, if you are a scalper or you have small account, you can use 5 minutes chart to scalp from the lowest level. Zoom once, zoom twice, and that's all. So let me show you some entries. See the back here. You see, look at it here. See where the confirmation here. See where the CCI is up between 180 level and 150 level, the two levels on top. You see we ride a massive trend here. You see, because we are always catching spike with the strategy, we are still going this way. See, they will always give you the, look at it here. Even though the market was not that clear, and after this trade, the market get a confirmation here, another one here, the market just spiked down. So that's that. Let me show you for small account. Let me show you some interest on the small account. You see, $2,479 currently running. Let me close them. Huge deal. It's a huge deal. It's a huge deal. Let me close all of them. It's a huge deal. This is, see, $26 on this account. See this crash 1000. Let me show you as well. You see, I use my 5-minute chart to get my confirmation entry here. If you also check my 1-minute chart, I still get the same confirmation here. This is why I get, so 1-minute chart confirm the entry, and also 5-minute chart also confirm the entry here, and that's what the market run down. You see the profit running. So please, for those that want to anything that has to do with price action and anything you have problem with, kindly contact me. I will always be there to answer. And from now till next week, I'm going to release 5 different strategy for all of you. For those that have the magic bomb and are doing well, fine. For those that don't have the money to buy the magic bomb strategy, I promise to give you 5 good different strategies that you can use to. You can see I'll show you 2 live results now on how you can be able to make money. You can see the 2 live results now on how you can be able to make money. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to talk to you here. See you in my next video. Let me give you the settings for the last time. Period 20, typical price HLC/33, levels -150 plus 150 minus 180 plus 180, style green. Moving average on the main chart, exponential 20, apply to close, shape 0, style green. I'm sorry, yellow. Moving average, period 10, shifts 4, method exponential, apply to close, level, style, right? So that's that about that. We have gotten our strategy. You see all these trades. You see I have captured some swings here. Get confirmations from 1 minute, 5 minutes. You see all these 2 are my trades, all of it. So I always catch spike with the golden strategy. This is Adnan Global Access Forex here. Nice to talk to you. See you in my next video. Bye. قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا فانطلقا حتى